is you simply have to start, guys. Like, and I know that this is the most cliche with a few advices that you can hear on social media and all. This is one of the things that you hear the most, but if you hear it a lot, that's maybe a sign that you should do it a lot. So understand that I say that you simply have to start, because best known beats best. I talked about that at some point in life. The fact that if you focus on creating the best product and then waiting for people to come and to buy it, you're not going to get any results. What's an approach that will work? Here it is. You basically make sure, I don't say don't have a good product. I say make sure everybody knows about that product. Everybody. Make sure everybody knows about that product, because best known is going to always beat best. So follow the advice I talked about in the live. And if you weren't in the live, hey, go back and listen to it, because you really have to understand that you start and then you go aggressively, and then you make sure you get omnipresent and you get known. And if you do that the right way, you're going to be dominating your industry. You do not need to dominate the world. Of course, if you do dominate the world with your business, we're talking marketing wise, you're going to get incredible results, but you do not need to get to that level to see incredible results. You can start small, and even in a small structure, you can get dramatic results. I talk that from experience.